In this video, we are going to learn about how to find the derivatives of a function. For that, first we need to know about some basic derivative rules. We have so many differentiation formulas. Here we will learn few formula with some simple examples. Let's get started. First, formula for x power n is n into x to the power n minus 1. So the derivative dy by dx equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. Next, formula for the value k is nothing but constant. So constant differentiation is 0. Next, formula for k into x. So constant into some variable x. So that is nothing but simply k, because the differentiation of x is 1. Next, 1 by x, differential of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Next formula is root x. Formula for root x is 1 by 2 root x. Now we will see 1 by 1 formula with some simple example. So first we are considering the first formula, that is x to the power n. So the differentiation of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. So example, suppose d by dx of x to the power 6. Okay. Now how to differentiate this? Here we have x to the power 6. The 6 is nothing but n. Okay. Just substitute in the formula. In the place of n we have 6. So 6 x power 6 minus 1. So that is nothing but 5. So the differentiation is 6 x to the power 5. Next, d by dx of x to the power, suppose if we have 10. So the differentiation of x power 10 is, again substitute in the same formula, that is 10 x to the power 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 1, that is nothing but 9. So 10 x to the power 9. So the differentiation of x to the power 10 is 10 into x to the power 9. Next, consider the second formula, that is d by dx of k. So the differentiation of k is 0, because k is nothing but a constant value. If you take any constant value, the differentiation for that is 0. So for example, d by dx of, suppose if we take 8. So the d by dx of value 8 is 0, because 8 is a constant number. For example, d by dx of, suppose if we take 15. So the differential of 15 is 0, because we have only the constant value, we don't have any variable here. Okay, so differential of constant is 0. Next, third formula is d by dx of k into x. That is nothing but the differential of kx is k, because k is a constant and differentiation of x is 1, because we are differentiating this x with respect to dx. So differential of the same value is 1. Suppose in the example we have d by dx of 8x. So if we take 8x, so the differentiation is we have 8, because constant is same, that is we have to write 8 as it is. The differential of x is 1. Okay, therefore differential of 8x is 8. Suppose if we have d by dx of 5x square. Okay, so here 5 is a constant and we have x square. So now we have to differentiate this x square. So we have to keep this 5 as it is, because 5 is a constant. So 5 into differential of x square. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x, right? Because 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1, that is nothing but 1. So that is simply 2x. So if you multiply this constant 5 into 2, that is 10x. So therefore the differential of 5x square is 10x. Suppose if we have d by dx of 2x to the power 4. Okay, so in this example we have 2, that is constant, so we have to write it as it is, and now we have to differentiate this x to the power 4. So if you differentiate, you will get 4 into x to the power 4 minus 1. Okay, so that is 2 into 4 into x to the power 4 minus 1, that is 3. So now multiply the constants. So 4 2s are 8 into x to the power 3. So this is the differential of 2 into x to the power 4. Next formula is d by dx of 1 by x. So that is, the differentiation is minus 1 by x square. Okay. Example, so that is d by dx of, suppose if we have 1 divided by x square. Okay. So this d by dx of this 1 by x square can be written as x to the power minus 2. We are taking this x square term to the numerator, so the power will become minus 2. Now again this is of the form x to the power n. Now differentiate this. So formula for x power n is n x power n minus 1. So that is minus 2 into x to the power minus 2 minus 1. Okay. So this is minus 2 x to the power minus 2 minus 1 is nothing but minus 3. So we have minus 2. This x to the power minus 3 can be written as 1 divided by x cube, because we are taking this term to the denominator, so the negative 3 will become positive 3. So the answer is minus 2 divided by x cube. Okay. Next example, d by dx of 4 divided by x cube. Now we will see how to differentiate this. So first we have to write this as d by dx of 4 into x to the power minus 3, because I am taking this x power 3 to the numerator, it will become x power minus 3. Now differentiate this. 4 is a constant, so we have to write it as it is, and x to the power minus 3. So the differentiation is minus 3 x power minus 3 minus 1. So this can be written as 4 into minus 3 x to the power, this is minus 3 minus 1. So that is nothing but minus 4. So now multiply the constants, and we have 4 and minus 3. So if you multiply, you will get minus 12, and this x power minus 4 can be written as x to the power plus 4 in the denominator. So the answer is minus 12 divided by x to the power 4. Next we have the formula, that is d by dx of root x. So the differential of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So first we will see how do we get this 1 by 2 root x. So this d by dx of root x can be written as x to the power 1 by 2, right? This root can be written as power 1 by 2. This is again in the form x power n. Just substitute in the formula n into x power n minus 1. So 1 by 2 minus 1. So that is nothing but 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1, that is nothing but minus half. Okay. So this is 1 by 2 into this x power minus 1 by 2 can be written as x to the power plus 1 by 2 in the denominator. So this is, so 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 can be written as root x. So this is how we get root x. The differential of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Now we will see an example. So next example is differential of, that is cube root of x to the power 4. Okay. So how to differentiate this? First we have to write this as d by dx of this cube root of x to the power 4 can be written as x to the power 4 into the power 1 by 3. This cube root can be written as to the power 1 by 3. Okay. So again this is d by dx of x to the power, this 4 into 1 by 3. I am just multiplying the powers, that is 4 by 3. Okay. So this is differential of x to the power 4 by 3. Now differentiate this. This is of the form x to the power n. So if you differentiate, you will get 4 by 3 x to the power 4 by 3 minus 1. Okay. So that is 4 by 3 into x to the power. So we have 4 by 3 minus 1, right? So if you cross multiply, you will get 4 minus 3 divided by 3. That is, so if you simplify, you will get 4 by 3 x to the power 1 by 3. So if you subtract 4 minus 3, you will get 1 by 3. So the answer is 4 by 3 into x to the power 1 by 3. Here we have learnt few basic formulas of differentiation with a simple example. In my further videos, we will learn the remaining formulas of differentiation with examples. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe, share and like my video, and for further notification, please press the bell icon. Thank you.